The treeless grassland. Grasslands are large plains of grass. They are found in warm and dry places. In these areas, the rainfall is too little for forests to grow, but just enough to prevent the land into a desert. Most of the grasslands are in the temperate zone. They are known by different names in different continents. The prairies. The prairies are a vast stretch of gently sloping temperature grasslands in North America. Prairie is a French word which means grassland. It extends from Canada to Mexico. It is called the prairies. Location. The prairies are located in the northern hemisphere, roughly halfway between the equator and the North Pole. It covers the whole of central USA. Land. The area was once covered with thick, tall grasses. Today, these flat and fertile lands are the biggest farming regions of the world. The Mississippi and the Missouri are the two big rivers that flow through this region. Climate and vegetation. In the prairies, winters are cold and summers are hot. Rainfall is moderate, about 52 to 70 centimeter, and occurs mostly in the summer season. The amount of rainfall varies greatly from year to year. A wide variety of plants grow in these grasslands. Trees are rare in the prairies except along the rivers. Grasslands grow quickly during the spring season and changes to hay in autumn. Wildlife. The animals that live here have adapted themselves to the semi-arid climate. They can withstand very hot summers and freezing cold winters. Animals that live in the prairies are bison, prairie dog, coyote, prairie chicken. Economic activities. The prairies are intensively cultivated. Corn is cultivated in the eastern part and wheat in the central part. Farmers produce enough wheat for the whole country and also for export. That is why the prairies are called the wheat basket of the world. Other crops grown here are barley, rye, oats, lentils, mustard, peas, and beans. Prairies also have meat packing factories, dairy farms, and flour mills. Many minerals are found here. Lignite coal, mineral oil, and natural gas are mined in large quantities. Gold, silver, and potash are also mined here. The availability of these minerals has led to the development of ore crushing factories and oil refineries. An extensive network of roads, railways, and canals in the region, coupled with industries, have made the prairies one of the most industrialized regions in the world. Life of the people. European settlers converted these huge grasslands into farmlands. An average farm here is spread over thousands of hectares. Farmers live with their families on the farms. Some workers or helpers also live on the farms. The entire farm work of plowing, sowing, harvesting, threshing, and winnowing and storing of food grains is done by machines. Homesteads are built for the farmers, families, and for the workers. Food grains are stored in silos. Thus, only a few workers are needed to cultivate thousands of hectares of farmland. Big dairy farms have modern facilities for processing milk. Machines have almost replaced manual labor in dairy farm as well. A large part of the total meat produced is consumed locally. The rest is exported. Many dairy farms have also been built. Most of them are situated near cities. In this region, animals are reared on large open area called ranches. Now let's recall. Prairies are situated in the central part of the North America. They have an extreme climate with hot summers and cold winters. Prairies are the world's largest farming region. They are called the wheat basket of the world. Farms are very big and most people live on these farms. All farming is done through machines. The main crop grown here are wheat, barley, rye, and oats. Cattle is reared for milk and meat. The main industries are meat packing, ore crushing, flour mills, and oil extracting.